Style is a way to say everything about yourself without uttering a word. When you see someone flaunting logos from head to toe, it only evokes a smile and mockery. After all, style is not when there's nothing to add, it's when there's nothing to take away. That's why I've compiled rules in this video that will help you look expensive, make an impression, and still avoid massive spending. Let's start with accessories. You must remember that each accessory on you is a small story revealing your personality. And those around you always pick up on it. With the right choice of accessories, even in pants and a regular t-shirt, you can look sophisticated and stylish. However, it's critically important that the material of accessories in one outfit matches. For example, silver must never be mixed with gold, and black leather should not be in the same look as natural colored leather. And don't forget, there shouldn't be too many accessories. You're not a Christmas tree. Next, materials. I'm sure no one will tell you more about this, and you would have discovered this information yourself only after years, but some fabrics just reek of cheapness. Also, the silhouette of the outfit and consequently your figure depend on the materials of clothing. If the fabric is unfortunate, you'll appear either chubby or crooked. Then, the bottom of the outfit. Footwear is the finishing touch to the look, meaning it attracts all the attention if it doesn't fit the style of the outfit. Keep in mind that shoes should be minimalist, clean without strange logos, made of quality materials, in neutral colors, no bright sneakers or red moccasins. The footwear should complete the look, not grab attention. Also, you should understand the most important thing. A good wardrobe is cool, but it's not enough to invest only in clothes. You'll truly look good and confident only when you achieve financial independence. And what's the point of fashionable clothes if you can't even invite a girl to a nice restaurant? I'm ready to help you with that, and we'll leave a link in the comments to an index that will manage your investments for you. You're already watching this video, which means you've taken the first step toward your dream life. Remember, your success depends not only on a good external appearance, it depends on the combination of your skills and abilities. It's never too late to start changing your life. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you soon.